Hi, friends. It's Miss Novak here again for another week of sounds lessons. We are on week 8 of distance learning. And again, I'm so proud of you. You've been working so hard. And we're going to jump right in with our sounds lesson. So today we're going to start with rhyming words. I'm going to say a word and then give you two more words. I want you to tell me which word rhymes with the first word. So our first word is splat. Which word rhymes with splat? Flat or blink? Right, flat. Splat, flat. Which word rhymes with fright? Fair or night? Night. Fright, night. Which word rhymes with flash? Fish or smash? Smash. Flash, smash. All right, ready? Which word rhymes with snail? Tail or snake? Tail, snail, tail. Which word rhymes with time? Tank or dime? Dime, time, dime. All right, last one. Which word rhymes with seal? Real or safe? Real, seal, real. Great job. All right, now we're gonna be listening for that first sound. I'm going to read a little sentence and you need to tell me what is the beginning sound in each word. So each word in the sentence is going to have the same beginning sound. And I want you to tell me what that sound is. So our first sentence is Betty baked biscuits. What's the first sound? Right, Betty baked biscuits. Great job. What's the first sound in dolphins dive deep? Right, dolphins. What about pink pigs picked pears? Oh, that's a tricky one. It's pink, right? What about witches wave wands? Right, witches. Greg grows green grapes. Greg, right? All right, last one. Rapid rabbits run races. Rapid rabbits. Very good. Those are tongue twisters. All right, next, ready? We're going to chop up some sounds. Get your hands ready. I'll chop it first. Ready? Brother. What about and ground? The next one is sneaker. Sneaker. What about plenty? Plenty. Good. The next one is drift. Drift. Excellent. All right, now it's your turn. The first word we're going to chop up is closet. Go ahead, chop that word up. Ready? Closet. Closet. The next one is frosty. Ready? Frosty. Frosty. The next one is bronze. Ready? Bronze. Bronze. Excellent. What about cradle? Ready? Cradle. Cradle. Last one, glance. 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 Make sure you get all those sounds. All right, excellent job. Now we're going to be listening for the last sound of the word. So we just listened for the first sound. Now we're listening for the last sound. So I'm going to read a sentence that has the same last sound. And I want you to listen and tell me the last sound that each of those words has. They all have the same one. The first one is Pam came home. It's the last sound. Right? Pam came home. All right, try the next one. Bill will tell. Oh, Bill, right? What about Ben ran in town? Ben. The next one is the cat went fast. Right. The cat. What about Liz rides cows? Zzz, Liz. And the last one is Gus licks lollipops. Gus, right? Good job. Those sentences are kind of silly. All right, next one. Now we're going to add a sound to the end of the word. So we were just listening for the last sound. Now we're going to add a sound. So get your hands ready. We're going to say this first sound, the second sound, and then clap it together. Ready? The word is sell, add f. Self, self. The next one is mill, add k. Milk, milk. The next one is fell, add t. Felt, felt. What about 10, add s. Tense, tense. The next one is in, add ch. Inch, inch. Last one is plan, add t. Plant, plant. All right, great job. Now we're going to do the same thing, except we're going to take away the last sound. So I'm going to say the whole word, and I want you to listen for that last sound and take it off. So the first one is wind. What's wind without d? So you have wind. So win. The next one is fork. What's fork without k? So you have fork. So 4. The next one is silk. What's silk without k? So you have silk, sill. Halt. What's halt without? Haul, right? Halt. The next one is pinch. What's pinch without ch? So pinch. So pin. The next one is stand. What's stand without d? Stand. So stand. Excellent. All right, we are almost done. Our last one is going to be changing the sound in the word. So we were practicing with middle sounds last week. We're going to keep practicing with middle sounds. I might ask you to change it to a short sound or a long sound. So I want you to listen. So the word is cope. So k-ope. Change O to A. So k-ope becomes k-ape. Cape. What about boat? Change O to A. So b-oat becomes b-ut. But. What about get? Change E to A. So g-et becomes g-ut. Gut. The next one is seed. Change E to I. So seed becomes side. Side. All right, last one. The word is kite. Change I to U. So kite becomes cute. Cute. All right, friends. Excellent job. We got through that really quick. I'm so proud of you. Keep up the good work, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.